So how can you make a good landing page or a good product page for on your Shopify store using an AI? And today I'm going to be doing an example of a product that I'm going to be listing for you. As you can see, this is just a Shopify store that I have created. I'm going to be creating for you a brand new, this is just testing of stuff. So don't pay attention to that. I'm going to be creating for you a product page, which I'm going to be doing step by step from scratch. We're going to find the product. I'm going to show you how do I use AI to create the product page. So I want everybody to stay all the way to the end because I'm going to give you some tips and tricks. Bye, my wife. Love you. So yeah, like I was saying, let's go back on that video and I'm going to be uploading a product. So the first thing I want you guys to know is that we are extremely grateful of everybody that is coming to the channel. Thank you for everybody that is entering the mentorship. We have a lot of demand. Sorry if we don't accept everybody. I mean, it's just part of the rules that we have. Me and my brother, we are alone when it comes to the mentorship. We don't put a team to that because we want to give ourselves the mentorship. We strongly believe that that giving the mentorship by ourselves is really connecting with the students. And I want everybody to understand something. Once you enter the mentorship, we're going to ask you a couple questions about like your relationship. We're gonna ask you questions about where you were in life, your age. We're gonna ask you a couple of things because this is normal, you know. This is how we build a file about you. This is how we build an idea because every student learn different, and maybe in your mind when we asking you a question of like, what is your age? Where are you coming from? Uh, Everything that we asking you is to build a structure behind the mentorship for you. So I want you to understand that in your mind, you're probably saying like, why is this person asking me my age? But there's a reason why we do that. There's a reason. And I'm not going to be explaining you the reason, but obviously there is a reason because we need, like I say, to build a structure behind every single person. Let's say you are from Canada. Let's say you are from the United States. Let's say you are from UK, Australia, uh, Africa, anywhere. In order for us to build a structure and build a file for you, those countries are going to give us the ideas that we need and everything that we need to put in place because a Facebook account for a person that is in Canada, it's not the same type of Facebook account that we're going to have to get for somebody in the UK. So and this is based on your credit card, this is based on your location, this is based on your information. So this is why it's important for us to gather that information from you. Now I want to say something to everybody. Before you even message me for the mentorship, which you can contact us through Facebook, guys have $4,000 to $7,000 available. This is needed, but more important, what you have to have is time. If you don't have time, it doesn't matter if you have $100,000. We're not going to take you because for us, it's at this point of our lives, mentorship is a branch that we have open inside our drop shipping empire, but we don't need that. It's not like that money is making us grow. We have so many investments that generate us enough money to be living as a king, and we don't have to deal with the headaches of a mentorship. You're probably saying, but why are you asking so much? Guys, you have no idea the behind scene and the front scene, everything that we have to do. It takes so much time to build a file, to show everything to everybody, that it takes time and it takes money. And it's a lot of effort that we put to make you the best. Understand that whatever we teach you, if you don't put it on places and do it consistently, you will never achieve anything. There's listen, there's no magic trick. It doesn't matter if I give you everything. If you don't put the work in, you're not going to succeed. The reason why you have to have a mentor. It can be us, or it can be anybody. It doesn't really matter. Is because a mentor is being there. It's going to give you all the tips and tricks. When you're going to have a problem, you can contact your mentor and always ask questions to your mentor. So, and we're going to give you access to everything, and we're going to do everything for you as well. So it's extremely important that you understand why a mentor is really needed. But if you don't put the work in, if you just don't do the work and you don't push your limits and you don't become the best at this, you're not going to make money. It's pretty simple. So let's go ahead and jump to this video. So how can you guys create a product page using AI? So now the first thing is we came here, we're going to click add product. Okay. So now the first thing is we're going to start with the title. So we're going to go on AliExpress and we're going to choose any random product that just came up to us, whatever product. Okay, let's see something that is a dropshipping product that everybody knows, or just a random product. Okay, so we're going to choose this product. This product generated us over $100,000. So I'm going to share it with you. Okay, this product, we sold it on Facebook and we generated a ton of money. So it's basically a mug, 3D mug, type of like a book shelf or something like that. So first of all, what I'm going to be doing is gathering this information, and I'm going to go on ChatGPT and I'm going to put this information. Now, let me just put this thing down because this doesn't matter for me, okay? So first of all, we're going to put this, we're going to put comma, and then we're going to look at the product. We're going to download all these images. 1 second. We're going to click on this one. Now you can use Google Chrome to download all those images. So I'm going to show it to you. Okay. So let me come in here and I'm going to open Google Chrome. And I'm going to show you how you should do those things. Okay. So you're going to come in here. All of those things, I don't understand why they're here. Just remove all that. So now that you are in the page, I use a Chrome extension that is this one right here. This one right here. So it's Ali Media. Works super well for me. So basically what it's going to be is going to download all the feedback images, all the videos, all the description images. So I'm going to download the main images. And as you can see, everything starts to download it right away. And then you can click on download all the description images because I want to see what is out there. So now that we have download all those images, we're going to come in here back where we were, and we're going to take all this information in here. Okay. All of this. Okay. It's extremely important that you gather all this information. Now you're going to put it in here, and after you did all of that, now stay tuned because I'm going to show you everything. First of all, what I want you to do is to put comma. I need you to make me a product title for my product listing. As well, I need to have a short description and some bullet points that helps me sell this product. Make it short and simple to understand. But remember, I need to sell this product, okay? Now, there's other prompts that I'm going to show you inside the mentorship. This is only for the video, so you can see. As well, use some emojis for the bullet points. Okay, and then we're going to let ChatGPT do his magic, okay? So, okay, make it more, make it more, make it longer. Okay, you play with it. So now what it's going to be doing is doing this kind of things, and you don't want it like that. Okay, but what you're going to be doing is something super simple. Okay, so basically now we have the name here. We're going to copy the name. Now, don't put emojis on the titles. I'm going to be explaining you why. We're going to come here on the website. We're going to put this 3 bookshelf ceramic coffee cup for book lovers. Super simple. Then we're going to copy this. 1 second. This is the short descriptions. We're going to copy this in here and we're going to paste it in here. Okay. So now we have that. Okay. Now we're going to copy everything and we're going to put it in here. I need to make super simple. I need to make this more like a product listing. So please add what is the name of it? Specifications. And don't matter if you make mistakes, don't worry. ChatGPT is smart enough. And 1 second. I just want to, I'm looking for a word that I'm missing. And I'm going to show it to you right now. Just want to make sure that, okay, now I got it. So we're going to go on and key features about the product and then press enter. Okay, so now it's making it back again, but it's going to make it the way I want it. Okay, so now we're going to copy this specification, key features, and then you're going to come in here and remove all of that and paste that. Okay, so super simple, nothing complicated, nothing out of the ordinary, super simple. Now this came up like this. We're going to put it like this, and like this. Okay, so now this, we're going to put it. So this, everything has been done the way I like it, but for some reason, it didn't copy the way I want it. 1 second, I'm gonna explain you what I mean. So let's copy this and do it back again. I'm gonna paste it like this. Okay, voila. So now we have it the right way. Super simple, nothing complicated. You don't have to make nothing big. You can delete this, bullet points. We're gonna put here, important informations, okay? Second, informations, simple, okay? Nothing complicated. Now we're gonna come in here, sorry for that. We're gonna press in here, okay? Separate this, okay? And now here, we're gonna put this, well, I don't want, we're gonna delete this thing here, 1 second. So this, we're gonna delete it. Let's go back in here. So important information, we want to put it as 3, and like that. We're going to put it on heading 3. Sorry for that. My God. Start back again. Okay, so we're going to put this like this. This, we're going to put it like that. We're going to space this thing out. The space. This like this. This we're going to be deleting. The short descriptions, we don't need that. We're gonna put this back on. Okay, the specification, we're gonna put it at 3 as well. This, we're gonna choose this as well. Now, this, we're gonna do a space. Key features, we're gonna put it like this, and we're gonna choose 3 as well. And that's it. Super simple, nothing complicated. Now, where's the part of the images, okay? So let's say this product is selling, which I'm going to be doing another video on how to really do a good price. So let's say the product is $13. With our sourcing agent, you're going to get it for less. Then we're going to put this product for $29.99, or even you can put it for $24.95. And then you want to put at least half of the money. So you're going to put it for, let's say, $70, okay? The cost of the item, you can put it in here. Let's say you're paying $13 for the product. So you have a profit margin of 62%. So this is good that you put this information. Truck order is extremely important that you put the truck orders. We only have the capacity of 350 milligrams. So we're going to come in here and the location, we're going to leave it like that. The weight, we're going to leave it like that. The variation, you're gonna put size, and you're gonna put 350 milligrams, okay? Super simple, available, you can put 3,000 units, still leave it like that. And now what we're going to be doing is to come, and I want to make it more fun, okay? So the first thing is we're gonna come in here, and we're gonna add an image, okay? Super simple, we're gonna come in here, go, and we're gonna add a nice image, something that really represents what we're selling. So we're gonna come in here and add this image, so it looks nice. You don't have to add 1,000 images. It's no need for that. So we're gonna look at this, and we're gonna see, okay, is this image really representing what we're looking for? Is this image something that is going to speak to people? And basically, this image is not telling me anything. So I'm not gonna leave this image, because I want something that speaks to my audience, okay? Something that when people see, they're going to be in love with it. 1 second, treating yourself. I made a mistake here. I erased this word, so we're gonna put it back. Again, so this, we don't want it. Oh my God, too complicated. Okay. Okay, let me see. Okay, so this is erasing for no reason. We're gonna leave that image, and we're gonna change it in a second. Now you're gonna come in here, and you're gonna add an image that really speaks to people. Like, people want to see the mug. This is what they want to see. So which image you should select? You should select an image that really talks to people. And this is something that really talks to people. But you don't want to add that image there. What you want to add is the product himself. This is a great image that is going to be speaking to them. And it's super simple to people to understand what is the image, okay? Then this image, we're gonna use it somewhere else, okay? So we're gonna put this here. Let me just remove this. We're gonna put it done. Now you might ask yourself, why adding an image here, okay? And why not, like, let me see if I can remove it. Okay, I don't know what is yourself. Okay, let me just put save here, and we're gonna change that, don't worry. So this image, I wouldn't suggest you to put it, and this is something that I want people to learn out of us, is that you need to put an image of the product that is simple. Okay, you understand this is the product. Now, you want to add an image that really connect with people. And this image, I'm sorry, but it's not connecting with anybody. I have no idea why the image is not going somewhere. Let me see, delete. Okay, so we have deleted the image. I don't know, sometimes it's just a bug of Shopify. And then we're gonna come in here, and we're gonna try to upload a great image like the one that I uploaded before. So what is a great image? This is a great image. Something like this is going to really speak to the audience, because it's gonna tell you for what this can be used. And as you can see, mug can be used if you are working on a desk, you can have this type of mug, and it's gonna look better than your coffee. This has been done on purpose to represent what it looks like with a coffee, or just in the mug. It looks much better. And this image is going to speak even better to people. Simple. You don't have to make it complicated. Now, this is your product page already. Now, if we come in here, we're going to click on view. Now, don't pay attention to the website, because there's other things that needs to be done. I just wanted to make, again, doesn't have to be there. This is not a good product page. This is not good a website, but this is not the website, okay? The theme that we're going to be using. So you can see the prices here. The reviews are here. You have a simple text that is not going to be looking like that. It's just the theme. You have a perfect image representing the product, the specification, the key features, and the reviews in the bottom. That's it. You don't need nothing else. So when people tell you add like 20 images, let's do this. Now, this is a way to create a product page. Now, there's many ways that you can create pages. Don't get it twisted. This is the perfect page for, let's say right now, Facebook. But let's say you have a picture that can represent those bullet points, or a picture that can represent your specifications. You can add a picture there. But if you don't have it, something that is really going to be talking about the size, the capacity, the weight, don't add it. If you have it, you can add it. But if we look at here, we don't have any picture that is actually talking. Actually, this picture is even better to add for the product. But if you look at the product, guys, super simple. The product speaks for himself. They know what it is. They have simple information, not a lot of text, straightforward. Now, if you want to make even better, what you can do is come in here and highlight the big words, the words that really like perfect size, okay? You can put this like this, durable ceramic, okay? Durable ceramic, vintage inspired 3 days bookshelf, okay? You can add like this, safe for use, okay? Safe for use. You can add something like that. You can highlight the keywords, ideal for book enthusiasts, okay? Something like that. Librarian, okay? Something like this can attract the views of your customers and be simple for them to understand. And this is what is important, guys. When people come to your website, again, this is not the best thing to do it. We're going to be doing another, what I'm going to be making a website. But as you can see, when you highlight things, people are attracted to read those things faster. And this is what you want. Simple page that people can understand fast, get in, buy, and move on. Title, the reviews, the price, the size, some explanation about the product himself. Here you have some specifications, some key features, and that's it. Again, if you have a picture that represent this section or represent this section, you can add it. But if you don't have it, don't just put a picture to put a picture. It's not going to do anything. Everything that you do has to have a action, an idea behind it. Pictures are going to be speaking to your customers. And if you don't have the right picture, you're going to be losing the attention of your customer. Simple, beautiful picture. The customer understands, okay, this is a mug that is 3D, simple. Here we have the mug. You can change this picture and put another picture if you want to. Like you see, this one is an amazing picture that they can see it from front. So let's say you don't want to put this one, it's no problem. You can delete this one, simple. Let me just come in here because it doesn't want to delete. And then you can just come separate this and you can just try to add a picture that speaks more to the client. Let me show you something. So if we come in here, we have this picture that we're going to be adding, that we're going to put it on the beginning of the text, okay? Right away so your customer can see it. Simple, straightforward. You can remove the background if you want to. And now for this section, we have a picture because I have seen a picture that can represent what people want to know about this. And it's this one. Super simple, but the picture is showing the size of the product. And people want to know what is the size of your product. This, you can add it in here. Super simple, nothing complicated, but is a picture that really goes with the section. You understand what I mean? Don't just add pictures to add pictures. This one is talking to the customer. This one is explaining the size. So it goes with the specifications. Simple. That's it. You don't have to do anything else. So this is how you create using AI. I mean, we do other more advanced stuff inside our mentorship, and this is why it's called mentorship. But again, this is how you can create, guys, really landing page for your product without any headaches using AI and really following the structures and the prompts that I just gave you. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video and you want me to create a full website using AI, I'm going to be doing everything from scratch, from the home page to all the pages. I want everybody to give me 200 likes and 100 comments. And if I get that, I'm going to be giving you a full website design only for you guys. All right. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was not too long, and see you in the next one, guys. Peace out.